All right, now I know you've probably heard the news from yesterday that the Feds, well, they've actually raised the prime interest rate to about 3/4 of a point. Jerome Powell, he does not look very happy right now. Hey, Jerome, cheer up. There's some great news actually coming out of all this for homeowners, home buyers, and home sellers as well. Current trends are predicting that in 2022, that home values will continue to rise. Now, what does that mean to you? Can you still save hundreds every month by maybe doing a cash out refinancing? Is it still wise for me to buy a home today? Now, the answer to both those questions are absolutely. Now, I know what you're thinking is, well, I have a great rate now. If I were to refinance today, wouldn't my rate be higher? How would I be saving hundreds of dollars every month by doing a cash out? Isn't it better to wait? Or if you were to buy now, wouldn't it be better to wait until maybe rates go down in a couple of years? Well, the answer to both of those questions are no way. Now is the best time to act. Let me show you why. Now, first, about refinancing. Let's say you bought a home a year ago for about $425,000. Now, a typical home in the Phoenix metro area over the last year has actually gone up 30.9%. Now, that brings the value of your home from $425,000 to over $556,000. Here's what you can do with all that equity and cash. Now, you can get that cash out from your equity to pay off debts. For example, let's say you want to get rid of the remaining balance on that car loan. Maybe you want to get rid of that mortgage insurance payment. And maybe get rid of those credit cards. The list goes on and on. Now, even though your mortgage might go up a bit, those other debts, they're going to be done and gone with. You just clean your hands of those. Now, you can also use that cash. Maybe you want to take a vacation. Aloha. Maybe build a swimming pool. Maybe remodel a kitchen. The list goes on and on. Now, what does it mean for a home buyer? Also yesterday, which was overshadowed by the Fed's rate hike, the most recent Cromford report came out as well. Now, what the report shows is that from June of last year, 2021, to June of this year, 2022, active homes listed for sale are up 113%. That means competition is not as fierce, and you will be able to find that dream home. Yes, currently rates are higher. However, it is still better to buy now than to wait a couple years for rates to go down. Let me show you why. By studying trends, interest rates typically, they don't stay high forever. In fact, according to the MBA,
3, 2, 1.
I said the MBA, not the NBA, the Mortgage Bankers Association. They expect rates to decline to 4.4% by 2024. Now, for example, if you buy a home now at say $425,000, and let's say the value goes up just a modest 8% every year, instead of the 30.3% that we've seen over the past year, in 2024, the value of your home will be around $500,000, which means you will have nearly $100,000 in equity at the time. So let's say a potential home buyer decides, well, I think I'm going to wait a couple of years when the rates go down, before I do anything. Now, even though rates will be lower, the cost of buying that home in 2024, it's going to go up to $500,000 instead of $425,000. So that smaller payment that you've probably been waiting for will not be as small as you think. Now, as you can see, there is nothing but great news for homeowners, home buyers, and home sellers. Now is absolutely the best time to act. So, if you'd like a free copy of the Cromford report or a no-cost refi or loan purchase review, here's what you need to do. Now, go to the description section of this video, click on the link, fill out your contact information, and we will take care of you right away. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.